Hello students, welcome to my channel School Online 24/7, and today I am going to explain the third and the last part of the Glimpses of Past, chapter number 3 from Honeydew book. And I have already uploaded first and second part of my YouTube channel, and you can also watch it from the given link which is present in the description box of this video. Okay, let us start the third and last part of this chapter, the glimpses of past. And the third part, I'm going to start with the 7th point, the sparks. The sparks, this point was going on from 1815 to 1857. Text continues to ruin the peasants. Peasants means a poor smallholder or agriculture laborer of low social status. In the Bengal, the Santhal, a member of a large indigenous group living mainly in earnest India, had lost their lands under new lands rule, become desperate in 1855. They rose in rebellion and marched European and their supporters alike. Rebellion means an act of armed resistance to an established government or leader, and marcas means deliberately and brutally kill many people. And in this scene, you can see a marcas. The ever increasing tax levied on the peasants continue to pressurize them and worsen them their financial situation. The Santhal in Bengal became disheartened and hopeless after they lost their lands, their fields to the Britishers under the new land rules in 1855. They launched a rebellion, a revolutionaries of procession and Marcas. Marcas is a short uh, short form of war, and this Marcas was formed of European and all those who supported them. And after it, the people working under to East India Company were highly dissatisfied too. How? Look at it from next section. Yes, from there. Discontent was brewing in the East India Company army too. There, brewing means something is about to happen and something is being prepared. The white soldier get huge pay mention to life in servants, while we get a pittance and slow promotion. Pittance means a very small or inadequate amount of money. The Angrez ask us to cross. Angrez refers to Britishers. The sea which is against our religion. Who is the Topiwala to abolish our age-old customs? We must derive out the Angrez. Sipahi Mangal Pandey attacked adjutant of his regiment and executed. Sipahi means an Indian soldier. They called them Sipahi that time. And revolt means take violence against action and establish government or rules also. Agent, their agent is a military officer who act as an administrative assistant to a senior officer. Okay. The people working under the East India Company were highly dissatisfied too. This statement is for Indians. They fact that they gave Englishmen good pay, mentions, and other help while they gave Indian only inadequate pay and so slow promotion also. Further agitated Indians. They felt bad that the British urged them to move out of their lands to cross the sea and work from them, which was even against their religion. They were motivated to drive the Britishers out. An Indian soldier serving under British or European order named Mangal Pandey even attacked the adjutant of officer of his regiment but was later executed from his regiments. Thousands of other Sipai revolted. They were stripped of their uniform, humiliated, and put in iron. And after Mangal Pandey, around thousand of the Sipais like Mangal Pandey uh, took violent action against the British, but were only robbed of their uniform in turn to make the Sipai feel humiliated. After this, look at the next point. Few Englishmen had cared to understand Indian custom or people's mind. Of oh, proud Brahmin soldier, do you know that the grease on the bullet you have to bite is made from the fat of cows and pigs? What the white man had deceived us to. Soon, chapatis were sent from village to village to tell the people that their emperor would want their service. Yes, all my village men will be ready. Similarly, lotus flowers calculated among Indian soldiers dead to the foreigners, the masses gave all help and shelter to the patriots. In this scene from there, some the Englishmen even begin to understand how Indian thought, how their mind work and their custom. They told Brahmin soldier that the bullet they were supposed to bite is covered with grease and the grease was made up from the fat of cows and pigs. And when the Brahmin know about the fact, they became surprised. And the other religious person said to that the Britishers deceived us also. And next scene you will see chapatis were being sent to the each home in every village conveying that their service could be required to fight off from Englishmen. This message was sent by the king to the villagers. Lotus flower were calculated among the Indian soldiers. The Indians stood against them with the support of masses in the form of shelter and other help from the patriot. Okay, next point will be start now. Next section is number 8, and this section is belongs to revolt. And revolt was a start from 1857. Then there was a violence outbreak at Meerut. The Sipai marched to Delhi. Long live our Emperor Bahadur Shah. The urge to free the nation of Britishers continued to grow. And in this section, the city of Meerut also experienced a violence outbreak. Means the violence outbreak started from the Meerut. The Sipais marched to Delhi for the revolution. And the Sipai marched and moved to Delhi to support their emperor like Bahadur Shah Zafar, who became a great revolutionary against two Britishers. And the revolt continued to spread and grow. The rebellion spread wider. Many landlords had lost their lands because of British policies and they were sore. Sore means upset and angry. The white man's rule must end. Yes, we will help you. And the revolt continued to spread and grow day by day. They even got the support of the landlord and had also lost their land due to the new land policy from the Britishers. People were angry and wanted to take their revenge with the fight to the Britishers. Ninth and last point of this video, of this part, the fight for freedom, 1856. Many former rulers like Begum Hazrat Mahal of Lucknow was bitter. The white man has taken away my kingdom. They joined to upsurge against the foreigner. Upsurge means an upward surge in the strength of quantity of something in an increase also. Popular leader like Maulvi Ahmadullah of Faizabad told the people, rise brother, rise, the Angrez is ruining our land. The people rose everywhere in Bareilly, Kanpur and Allahabad also. Many of former rulers were bitter too because the Englishmen had taken control of their kingdom. Leaders like Maulvi Ahmadullah of Faizabad motivated people to free the country of all the Englishmen. People of Bareilly, Kanpur, and Allahabad rose forward too. Former rulers like Begum Hazrat Mahal of Lucknow joined them because her kingdom had been taken away by the Britishers and thereby strengthening their power. Azimullah Khan told Tatya Tope, we should have Peshawar Nana Sahib as our leader in this war of independence. The patriots pronounced sorry pounced upon the British and fought pitch battles all over North India. Pitched battle means a violent confrontation involving large number of people. 80-year-old Kunwar Singh of Bihar received a bullet in his breast. Mother Ganga, this is my last offering of you. And in this scene, you can say entire North India came together in large number to fight a pitched battle against the Britishers. In the light of this, Azimullah Khan expressed his thought to Tatya Tope that they should have Peshwa Nana Sahib as their leader in this war of independence against the English or Britishers. In this revolt against the British, I 8 sorry 80 year yes 80-year old Kunwar Singh of Bihar was hit by a bullet in his wrist, which he dedicated to the Mother Ganga as an offering. And this is the last scene and part of this chapter, Glimpses of Past. I hope you all understood the video very well, and if you will face any problem or any difficulty, then you all definitely inform me by the comments in the comment section of the YouTube channel, and I will definitely solve your problem. And if you all understand this topic, then comment me also about this and inform me also about it. Like, share and subscribe the channel also, and thanks for watching this video.